Hi, I'm Deborah Dixon.
And I'm Ethel Irving.
We come to you live with breaking news.
Elephant protests have broke out all around the world.
We bring to you Cletus Reedus from Washington, D.C.
Save the elephants!
Hi there, I'm Cletus Reedus, and I'm here in Washington, D.C. And there are protesters. Get out of here!
Save the elephants! Elephants are dying at a 7% rate, and they are repopulating at a 5% rate. Save the elephants!
Hey, you filthy degenerate! They're getting antsy! Antsy! I quit!
Thank you, Cletus.
Now to Frederick Pedrick, live in Beijing.
Hi, I'm Frederick Pedrick, live in Beijing, and the protests are getting pretty violent over here. Basketball star Yao Ming, who supports their cause, is being interviewed in this building right now.
How much do you like elephants? Oh, you like elephants a lot, I see. I like elephants a lot too. Elephants are nice creatures.
Pretty good.
You're really tall. Do you really think these protests and Project Save the Tusks is really going to help restore the elephant population? Thank you, Yao. Now we're going to show you a commercial that Yao was in to help save the elephants.
Ball to be a great shot blocker. Never buy illegal wildlife products, and we can save our endangered animals.
These protests are starting to get really out of hand.
Elephants are dying! They used to be in the millions, and now they're in the 10,000s!
Thank you, Frederick.
Now, coming to you live from Kenya, Pterodactyl.
I'm live in Kenya. My name is Pterodactyl, and we have gone inside because the protests have gotten so bad.
My name is Lonquisha. The studio has said we need to go home. This is getting horrible. She goes back inside here. We gotta go. Bye, everybody. We now bring you a commercial made by the protesters entitled Project Save the Tusks. We are Project Save the Tusks. We need your help. Together, we can all save the elephant population. We need to raise money. We want to create a safe environment for these precious elephants, where we can take a few thousand in. As they have calves and grow older, we can release them into the wilderness. This will help boost the elephant population. For just 59 cents a day, you can help these species from becoming extinct. To help our cause, you can join our protests and spread the word, or you can donate by calling the number that's on your screen. That number is 1-800-900-0021. Again, that's 1-800-900-0021.
Thank you, Tara.
Everybody is back into the studio, safe from all the protests going on.
There is more breaking news. Norman Reedus and Leonardo DiCaprio have started joining in on the protests, and they've said a few words.
Do you think Project Save the Tusks is making a difference at all in the elephant community?
It is, and it's a charity thing.
Do you think elephants make a difference in the world?
I do, yeah.
Be careful, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Thanks for watching, everybody.
Hi, I'm Deborah Dixon.
And I'm Ethel Irving.
Okay. Hi, I'm Deborah Dixon.
And I'm Ethel Irving.
We come to you with breaking news.
Elephant protests have broke out all around the world.
Okay. Thank you, Cletus. Restart.
Thank you, Frederick.
Now going live to pterodactyl.
So good, I said Frederick, so good.
Pterodactyl. Pterodactyl. Pterodactyl.
Take, breathe for like 5 minutes.
Pterodactyl. Pterodactyl. Pterodactyl.
Now we're gonna say Frederick.
You did say it. All your fault. All your fault.
I didn't have the pen.
Just film it. Go.
I had it. On that.
Thank you, Frederick.
Now, coming to you live from Kenya. Pterodactyl. Dactyl. Dactyl.
We're good. We're good.
You guys do know that it's still recording, right?